Get out of my house.
I live here.
Yeah, well, you're going to get kicked out. I'm going to a lawyer.
Nana, I take care of you.
Yeah, you're not taking care of anybody. And get that off your face. You got the smirkiest, messy face I ever looked at.
Why are you saying that?
Big pimples on the cheeks and everything. I think that's attractive.
I don't have pimples.
Yeah, you've got pink and pink and pink. You look like you stink. You go keep it up. Keep it up, and you come running in one night, and that'll be the end. And I'll say, hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, Lord, hallelujah. Yep, they're all out there waiting now.
Well, me and you live together with Debbie.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
I don't live with Debbie.
Yep, Debbie lives upstairs in the apartment.
Oh, upstairs here, but we were getting out anyway.
Debbie's my mom.
How did she get to be your mother when she didn't even go near your father?
What do you mean?
That's quite a challenge.
My dad was Dick Finnegan.
Dick Finnegan. Ho, 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 ho. Jesus Christ.
Well, I love you, Nana.
Well, I don't love you, so just get it out of your head so you don't have to worry about it.
Okay. I hope you have a better day.
No, I won't. My days are gone.